Let's start things off with cell phone use. It's important to note that cell phone use is not permitted while driving or operating equipment within the facility. This includes cars and pickup trucks. Cell phone use by third-party employees is not permitted in the work area. We have a zero-tolerance drug and alcohol policy. Do not enter the facility under the influence of drugs or alcohol, period. Hot work is expected to be performed in accordance with the requirements of 29 CFR 1910.252 through 254. If flammable and combustible materials cannot be removed from a 35-foot radius of the hot work location, including lower levels beneath the work area, a written hot work permit will be required. Third parties may use their own hot work permit, provided that their permit is compliant with all applicable regulatory requirements. A fire watch is required anytime a hot work permit is used, as well as under any of the conditions described in 1910.252A.2.3a. The fire watch must be maintained for at least 30 minutes after the completion of the hot work. Finally, it's important to note that any violation of safety rules by third-party employees will be handled on a case-by-case basis. We look forward to working safely with you.